Let's take a look at transcribing project timelines using Scribeomatic. In addition to transcribing rough or final edits, using a project timeline is a great way to transcribe only specific sections of media clips rather than the entire clip. This is a very simple project, but will work great to demonstrate a few key points. What I'm going to do is drop the entire project into the Scribeomatic workflow panel. It's important to note that Scribeomatic will respect Final Cut's audio roles on the timeline, so make sure they are properly assigned. Select your project in the media browser. Hit the Transcribe button and save the workspace. We are presented with the choice of speed versus accuracy. Choose high speed and it immediately starts prepping the audio and streaming it to our cloud for processing. Let's jump ahead to the finished transcript. We now have a few options for exporting this transcribed project. We can save a text or CSV file locally or export FCP XML. But the simplest way is to send it back directly to Final Cut Pro. We can send the data several different ways, but in this case I want clip markers. Click Export and choose the destination library. Now when I open the project timeline and show the index panel, we can see our markers are in place. We can click on the index to jump to each marker and then continue refining our edit or clip selections.
We went to Langkawi.
We can also send the project back with captions rather than markers. Change the setting here and export to our working library. And now we have captions on the timeline instead of markers. Currently, Scribeomatic transcribes the primary storyline for projects. It ignores audio attached to secondary storylines. We will be expanding that functionality, but if you need to transcribe a more complex timeline in the meantime, you can turn off unnecessary roles such as music and effects, export the project as a single flattened clip, and then use that clip to transcribe in Scribeomatic. Thanks, and we hope this makes some of those previously tedious transcription tasks a lot easier.
I was able to work a lot supporting other productions over the